How to make the perfect lobster rolls. Fresh lobster is the star of this roll. Steam and crack it open. Chop the lobster into juicy bite-sized pieces for perfect texture. Mix with creamy mayo a squeeze of lemon salt and pepper for flavor. Butter your split-top buns and toast until golden and crisp. Generously stuff each bun with your fresh lobster mix. Top with fresh chives to elevate the taste. Every bite is buttery, juicy, and packed with flavor. Follow for more easy gourmet recipes you'll love. Want to make a restaurant-quality Italian beef sandwich right at home? Let's do it from scratch. Super easy, super flavorful. Start with a good beef roast. Season it generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a mix of Italian herbs. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It's the secret to all that flavor. Place it in a slow cooker or pressure cooker. This is where the magic happens. Add beef broth for richness and a splash of pepperoncini juice for that authentic, tangy kick. Throw in some sliced onions and a few garlic cloves. Set it on low and let it slow cook for about 6 to 8 hours or until it's fall-apart tender. Once it's done, shred that beef until it's juicy and packed with flavor. Keep it soaked in that delicious au jus. Toast up some hoagie rolls, melt some provolone cheese, and get ready to build. Pile on the shredded beef, top it with sautéed bell peppers, or go traditional with Chicago-style giardiniera. And here's the best part. Dip it into that savory au jus. One bite and you'll never go back to store-bought. Homemade Italian beef sandwich. Simple, juicy, unforgettable. Save this recipe and follow for more. Craving the ultimate comfort sandwich? Watch how this Philly cheesesteak with creamy garlic mayo comes to life. Here is what you need. Thinly sliced ribeye or beef, caramelized onions and bell peppers, provolone cheese slices, fresh hoagie rolls. Homemade garlic mayo, mayo plus minced garlic plus a pinch of salt and pepper. Start by mixing your garlic mayo. Simple, creamy, and full of flavor. Sear thin slices of beef on a hot pan until juicy and tender. Add in those caramelized onions and peppers for that classic Philly vibe. Spread a generous layer of garlic mayo onto a toasted hoagie roll. Load it up with the beef veggies and top with provolone cheese. Melty, juicy, garlicky perfection. This is more than a sandwich. It's comfort food at its best. Follow for more delicious recipes. Full recipe at mysavorrecipes.com. Craving a fresh, cheesy melt that's loaded with California vibes? Let's make the ultimate California melt. You'll need sourdough bread turkey slices, ripe avocado fresh tomato slices, Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese mayonnaise, optional bacon sprouts or a dash of sriracha for extra kick. Spread a thin layer of mayo on each slice of bread. Layer turkey slices, fresh tomato, and creamy avocado. Top with a generous handful of shredded cheese. Optional, add crispy bacon or sprouts for extra texture. Place your sandwich on a hot skillet or panini press. Grill until the bread is golden and the cheese is melted and gooey. Slice in half and get ready for that perfect cheese pull. Fresh, creamy, crispy, that's a California melt done right. Love quick and delicious melt recipes? Hit like, follow, and make this for your next lunch. Let's make chicken in basil crema, quick, elegant dish packed with fresh flavor. Tender chicken breasts, seared to golden perfection, simmered in a luscious basil-infused cream sauce. Season your chicken with salt and pepper, then sear in olive oil until golden on both sides. Set aside. In the same pan, sauté minced garlic. Pour in heavy cream chicken broth and stir in Parmesan cheese until smooth. Add freshly chopped basil leaves to the creamy sauce for a burst of vibrant aromatic flavor. Return the chicken to the skillet, spooning the basil cream sauce over the top. Simmer for a few minutes until perfectly coated. Serve this creamy masterpiece with pasta riche or a side of sautéed veggies. Save this recipe and impress with gourmet flavors made easy. Like and subscribe for more tasty creations. Craving a fresh loaded sandwich? Let's build the ultimate Cobb sandwich quick, hearty and bursting with flavor. Here's what you'll need. Grilled chicken breast, crispy bacon, hard-boiled eggs, ripe avocado, juicy tomatoes, fresh lettuce, blue cheese crumbles, toasted artisan bread. Start with a slice of toasted bread and spread a layer of mayo or ranch. Add a bed of crisp lettuce, followed by juicy tomato slices. Next, layer sliced chicken crispy bacon and sliced hard-boiled eggs. Top with creamy avocado slices and a sprinkle of blue cheese. Crown it with another toasted bread slice. Slice it in half and look at those delicious layers. Fresh, crunchy, and packed with bold flavors. Perfect for lunch, picnics, or a quick dinner. Like, share, and follow for more irresistible sandwich recipes. Lemon chicken and asparagus. Looking for a quick and healthy dinner? Let's make lemon chicken and asparagus. Juicy chicken breasts seared to perfection, paired with tender asparagus and a bright lemon butter sauce. Season the chicken with salt and pepper, then sear in olive oil until golden brown and cooked through. In the same pan, sauté garlic, then melt in butter and add fresh lemon juice to create a rich, zesty sauce. Add the asparagus spears and sauté for a few minutes until they're bright green and tender crisp. Return the chicken to the pan, spooning that delicious lemon butter sauce over the top. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with riced pasta or enjoy it as a light, low-carb meal. Fresh, flavorful, and ready in 30 minutes. Like and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. Craving comfort food with a gourmet twist? Let's make a French onion chicken skillet cheesy, savory, and oh so delicious. You'll need chicken breasts, onions thinly sliced, beef broth, garlic, fresh thyme, mozzarella or Gruyere cheese, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Season chicken breasts with salt and pepper, then sear them in a hot skillet until golden. Remove the chicken, and in the same skillet, caramelize the onions with olive oil and garlic until deeply golden and sweet. Deglaze the skillet with beef broth, scraping up all that delicious flavor. Add fresh thyme, then nestle the chicken back into the pan. Top each chicken breast with a generous layer of mozzarella or Gruyere. Cover and let it melt into gooey perfection. Serve with crusty bread or over mashed potatoes for the ultimate comfort meal. Like and follow for more skillet favorites. Craving a bold, flavor-packed chicken dish? Let's make sticky and spicy chicken that's finger-licking good. All you need is chicken thighs or wings, soy sauce, honey garlic chili flakes, brown sugar, a splash of vinegar. Start by searing the chicken until golden and crispy. In a pan, mix soy sauce, honey, brown sugar, garlic, and chili flakes. Simmer until it turns into a sticky, spicy glaze. Coat the chicken in that glossy, rich sauce. Let it caramelize for a few minutes until perfectly sticky and irresistible. Serve hot, garnished with sesame seeds and fresh green onions. Perfect with rice or as a party snack. Love easy, spicy recipes? Hit like, follow for more, and try this sticky and spicy chicken tonight.